Hi, and welcome to the kindergarten curriculum preview for the second 6 weeks for social studies. This 6 weeks, you're going to have 2 units of study: Land, Water, and Maps, which is 23 days, and Fall Celebrations, which is 5 days, and matches up with the calendar. So it's kind of going to be broken up in between the other units. So first, let's talk about Land, Water, and Maps. So your key concepts are relative location, locating places, maps and globes, and physical characteristics of place. So we're really focusing on the idea that places are different and that we can learn about places and where they are from maps and globes. So our key vocabulary, I'll let you look at this list. And then our key experiences. You guys know better than anybody that our kinder learners need very many opportunities to do new things. So they need lots of opportunities to use a map and to use a globe and to also create maps. So be sure that you're giving your students multiple opportunities to encounter maps. Some additional resources. Maps 101 has a fantastic lower grade map activity. It's a farm map and it's on a grid system. You could do it on the smart board or on a projector with the whole class. Justiceville USA on the Texas LRE website has a map game that little ones can play, and stations and lessons that are attached in Eduphoria. And then we also have station cards 11 through 15 with Pearson, and then the Chapter 3 Chapter Closer vocab review. The Chapter Closer is going to be in the online parts of Pearson. If you need help accessing that, ask your coach, or you can ask me, and I'll be glad to come out and help you. I also have a PDF that is mounted here in Canvas that you can use. Flocabulary is another resource we have. It's on the digital learning page, and it is a resource the district has paid for. There are 2 videos that I think will be especially helpful to you: Mappy Maps and Landforms and Bodies of Water. Reading A to Z is new for our district this year. Some teachers have had it, but now everyone has it. And these are some titles that that your kids should be able to interact with, maybe with you in a small group or in a station, that all go with what you're teaching. So next, our fall celebrations. It matches up with the calendar. Our key concepts: Veterans Day, Columbus Day, chronological order, customs, and traditions. So looking at chronological order, that is one of the things that I have changed on the rubric for the report card. And so they're not going to be putting things on the calendar, but more putting events of a day in order. So our vocabulary: veteran, customs, patriots, good citizens, and again, chronological order. So our key people: Christopher Columbus, veterans, and good citizens. There's some additional resources in Eduphoria, and then some Pearson resources. Sorry, I got tangled up there. The My Story video, Our Traditions, the song Holidays Are Special, there's a vocabulary worksheet in Chapter 4, and then the celebration vests, which are the activity cards for Chapter 4. For Reading A to Z, these are books about chronological order and fall celebrations. And then vocabulary, If you search veterans, the video for November 9th, 2015 will come up, and it has a very kid-friendly explanation of Veterans Day. One of the things that I think would be a great integrated activity is after they have learned about Veterans Day, to give them these pictures and then put them in a basket, and in a station they can practice explaining what a veteran is and why they're important. So that's our integration strategy for this 6 weeks. If you have any questions, here's my email. I will also post the PowerPoint alone up. I encourage you to look at the link about C3, our new face-to-face session. I'd be glad to collaborate with you at that session, or if you would like me to come out and plan with your team, or you need help navigating the Pearson resources, or you need some ideas, just shoot me an email and we can meet, or we can chat by email. But I'm glad to support social studies learning here in Birdville, and I thank you for taking the time to look at the kindergarten social studies curriculum preview. Thanks.